Hello guys, many have mentioned that fastone capture latest version from their website is not working with the trial reset I have provided. So for you guys, I have created a package with both trial reset and the old version files and created an MSI and kept in my blog. So if you come here devopsdailyblog.wordpress.com, click on my applications. If you scroll down, this link is only the trial reset, and this link is my complete installation package created, and it will link to the, if you scroll down, fastone capture full install. When you click this, it will provide an option to download the file, an MSF file, an MB. Once you download that, you can just install that, and you will get two shortcuts in the desktop. One is to launch the application, and another one is to run the trial reset. So whenever your trial period is completed, you can simply run the second shortcut in the desktop, and it will clear the registries and whatever the data related to the trial period, and you can start using again.